Hello and welcome back. So let me start by asking you a simple question. How many times when you are using an app, you use the back button? Like you press the back button to go back to the previous screen or the previous state in your app. So when I'm saying back button, I mean this kind of button which a user clicks to go back to the previous state, right? So it's a very common feature, and the app makers and app developers realize that handling it effectively can lead to a good user experience. So I want to talk about BackStack in this video and why it's important. So Android has this concept of BackStack, and what it does is it keeps an eye or a track of the activities you are performing. Okay, so for instance, when I click on this and I go to, another activity which displays this, then when I click on back button, then ideally I should come back to the previous screen, which was just displaying the list of items. That is the purpose of using backstack. And backstack, one more thing before I go ahead. So each of these transitions, like going from one activity to another, going from one fragment to another fragment, is known as a transaction. And backstack maintains a list of transactions. Okay, now there are ways to handle this properly. There are ways to handle it effectively. Android documentation is a very good place to read more about this. In the next videos, in the coming videos, we'll explore backstack in the context of our app, and we'll understand how you can effectively manage. For instance, if I click on this back, if you see currently my app went down, that's it. So I would like the user to go back to the previous screen. So how we'll do that, we'll discuss in the coming videos. You will see that. But yeah, I wanted to mention this concept because it's important from the user experience perspective. So go ahead and read my blog or read Android documentation to get more information about this. And then we'll see in the coming videos how to use this. Okay, take care.